Every day, I wear my crown. It's called the hijab. The hijab is more than just a piece of cloth. It's a symbol of my strength, resilience, and pride. Each morning, as I wrap it around my head, I feel a surge of empowerment. It's a reminder of my identity and my faith. It tells the world that I am confident, that I stand tall. In a world that often tries to define us, the hijab is my way of saying, I define myself. Sure, there are challenges. Moments when society's gaze feels heavy, when the questions and stereotypes become tiresome. But with each glance, each curious look, I grow stronger, because I know the power that lies within me. The hijab is my shield against negativity and my beacon of hope. It connects me to a lineage of incredible women, women who have paved the way, who have faced adversity with grace and courage. Wearing the hijab, I am part of something bigger. A community that lifts each other up, that celebrates our uniqueness and our shared strength. So to every woman who wears her hijab with pride, know that you are unstoppable. You carry with you the legacy of countless women who have walked this path before. And you, my sister, are a beacon of resilience and strength. The hijab is not just my crown, it's my power, my pride, and I wear it with my head held high.